Hello everyone, welcome back to the Geochemistry YouTube channel. So today this is a Geochemistry lecture 5 and here I am going to do some numericals. So note on the important formulas here. So first formula is for half life. T half is equal to 0.693 by lambda. Lambda is the decay constant. Okay. Now concentration of parent nuclei at any time is equal to the concentration of parent nuclei at the time of their its origin or when the time is 0 divided by 2 to the power n is the number of half life. And third formula is that the concentration of daughter nuclei is equal to concentration of parent nuclei initially minus concentration of parent nuclei initially divided by 2 to the power n. And n is the number of half life is equal to total time span divided by time of 1 t half. And fifth one is average life or mean life is equal to 1 by decay constant. And sixth one is concentration of parent nuclei at the time of its origin is equal to concentration of parent nuclei at any time into e to the power lambda t. And d concentration of daughter nuclei at any time is equal to t to the power lambda t minus 1. And m, you know, m is the slope. Slope is equal to tan theta, and which is equal to e to the power lambda t minus 1. And now we are going to discuss some numericals of GATE and IIT JAM. So stay tuned. This is the question for you. This is the question number 1. So the question is the decay of radioactive isotope P produces a stable daughter isotope D. And we have to calculate the ratio of number of atoms of D to the number of atoms of P after 2 half-life. So P, so let initially the concentration of parent nuclei be P naught, and after some time, it is after 2 half-life, after 1 half-life, P will be P naught by 2, and after second half-life P will be equal to P naught by 4. So after 1 half-life P is equal to P naught by 2 because it will reduce to half of its initial concentration, and after second half it will reduce to P naught by 4. So we have to calculate the ratio. We have to calculate the ratio of number of atoms of D to the number of atoms of P after 2 half-life. So now we have to calculate concentration of daughter nuclei after 2 half-life. Daughter nuclei after 2 half-life will be equal to D is equal to, you know the formula, D is equal to P naught minus P naught, D is equal to P naught minus P naught divided by 2 to the power n. This is the formula I have written in the previous slide. Now P naught minus P naught, you know there are 2 half-life, here 2 half-life is mentioned. This is the period after 2 half-life, so here 2 to the power 2. Now the equation is P naught minus P naught divided by 4. Okay. Now, so we already know concentration of parent nuclei after 2 half-life is equal to P naught by 4. P is equal to P naught by 4. It is already calculated. Now D is equal to, you know the formula, P naught minus P naught divided by 2 to the power 2. And now here by solving this we got P naught minus P naught divided by 4, which is equal to 3 P naught by 4. Now we have to calculate the ratio between D and P. So 3 P naught by 4 into 4 by P naught, which is equal to 3 by 1 is equal to 3 ratio 1. So the answer will be the ratio of concentration of D to the concentration of P is equal to 3 ratio 1 after 2 half-life. Okay, very simple. Another numerical question is that given quantity of pure isotope decays to 1/8 of its original in 207.9 days, find the mean life. So you know the formula of mean life is 1 by lambda. Okay, 1 by decay constant. So here concentration of parent nuclei So here concentration of parent nuclei at the time of formation converted to P naught by 8 after T is equal to 207.9 days. Now here P naught by 8, we can write P naught by 2 to the power 3. Now this is the power 3 is the number of half life. Okay, 2 to the power n. Now so P naught by 8 is equal to P naught by 2 to the power 3. 3 is the number of half life, and number of half life n is equal to total time span divided by time of 1 t half. So 3 will be equal to total time span is this much, 207.9 divided by t half. So we can calculate t half easily. T half is equal to 207.9 divided by 3. Now here lambda is equal to 0.693 by t half, because t half is equal to 0.693 by lambda, and lambda is equal to 0.693 by t half. Okay, so here I have written 0.693 by t half. So the value will be 0.01. Now we have to calculate 1 by lambda, because mean life is equal to 1 by lambda. So 1 by 0.01 which is equal to 100 days, and 100 days is the answer. So now this is the end of the lecture. In the next class we are going to discuss more numericals. At least 20 numericals we have to do in this session. So stay tuned with the channel. If you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it. Now thank you for your patience.